Alright, just a little bit of hardware I've been playing around with to get familiar with the I2C protocol and PIC processing. So here's my basic setup. I have a wee nunchuck, which is a device that contains a 3-axis accelerometer, a pair of buttons, and a joystick. That's connected through an I2C breakout board that I got from SparkFun. It just takes the connector itself, turns it into 4 standardly spaced pins that you can put into a breadboard. From there I send that into a PIC13F1220, which I'm using to bit bang an I2C protocol, basically send a packet to the nunchuck to initialize it, and then just send out a data request, read back 6 bytes containing accelerometer, joystick, and button information. I take that and use it to generate a pair of pulse width modulated pulses, which I'm also sending out into a pair of servos. These servos are just rubber banded together with a little laser pointer on the top. And the basic deal is, by taking the nunchuck, I can tilt, and by tilting left or right I can turn the servo in the x-axis. By tilting up or down I can change the top servo's position. So I have a little 2-axis position controlled system for a laser pointer, or I can press the top button and use the joystick. I can go down, up, left, right, and anything in between. I also, just for kicks, wanted to throw a speaker on here, see if I could get some audio output. So if I press the lower button, I actually begin generating tones. And I can change my tone by changing position or move it back and forth rapidly. So that was just an extra thing I was playing with. And finally, I have a Wi-Fi card sitting on here. This is looking for an access point called BB13, which is this router over here. It's not connected to anything. It's simply serving as an access point, so the Wi-Fi card can connect to it. And then I can run ConnectBot on my Android tablet and talk to a particular port, and I can get into the packets that are being sent out from the PIC processor. So here, the joystick is controlling these first 2 bytes, so I can change that first digit down or up, change the second byte up or down, and the next batch of 3 pairs of hex digits correspond to X and Y positioning information, and Z is harder to change. And if I press the buttons, I change the 2 low bits to indicate that buttons have been pressed. So that was the basic idea, just a little playing around with accelerometers, I2C, servo control with pulse width modulation, wireless transmission and reception of data, and some tone generation. So that's all. Have fun. Bye.